हेलो गाइस, यू आर वाचिंग वीएक्स मोटर रिव्यूज एंड आई एम योर फ्रेंड विवेक रुदानी। तो आज हम यहाँ पे आए हैं कार मेंटर्स पे। तो थैंक यू कार मेंटर्स फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग मी द कार। और अगर इसकी डिटेल्स आपको जाननी है तो फटाफट से इंस्टाग्राम में दिए गए लिंक में आप जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हो, प्राइसिंग आप उनसे पूछ सकते हो। तो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो।
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. Tell shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better. You only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know, I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. Empty.
सो गाइस, वीडियो की शुरुआत होती है की से। तो यहाँ पे ऐसी कुछ की आती है, ऑडी लोगो इज़ हियर। और यहाँ पे बूट ओपनिंग का है। दिस इज़ टू लॉक एंड अनलॉक द कार। और लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द स्टाइलिंग एंड एक्सटीरियर। तो यहाँ पे आप हेडलाइट्स देख सकते हो, मैं आपको जला के दिखाता हूँ। सो लेट्स टर्न ऑन देम। सो दे आर नॉट कम्प्लीटली ऑन, नाउ दे आर। सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो फुल एलईडी लाइट है एंड दे आर प्रीटी ब्लमिंग एग्रेसिव। और यहाँ पे फ्रंट लुक भी आप देख सकते हो, काफ़ी एग्रेसिव लुक है। दिस इज़ द बिग आउडी ग्रिल। आप बम्पर देख सकते हो, काफ़ी शार्प बम्पर है। एंड दिस लाइट्स आर ऑल्सो गॉर्जियस एंड शार्प। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो फ्रंट में काफ़ी अच्छे लाइन्स एंड क्रीजेस का यूज़ किया गया है टू इम्प्रूव द एक्सटीरियर लुक। और यहाँ पे हेडलाइट वॉशर आता है एंड फ्रंट पार्किंग सेंसर्स भी आ जाते हैं। यहाँ पे 4 फ्रंट पार्किंग सेंसर्स है। बिकॉज द हुड इज़ लॉन्ग सो यू डोंट गेट द एग्जैक्ट आइडिया। So these are the wheels and the size of this wheel is 225/50 or 17. So these are 17 inches. और ये S-line trim है. So this is a diesel and the door handles are unique because they flip upward. So let's close this for a bit. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो chrome line है running all around. So this is pure अंडरस्टेटेड एलिगेंस। यहाँ पे आप साइड स्कर्ट्स भी देख सकते हो। एंड दिस लाइन रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ द रेंज रोवर वोग और ऑल रेंज रोवर कार्स, क्योंकि उसमें भी ऐसे ही रहते हैं। एंड दिस इज द फ्यूल लिड। एज आई सेड इट्स अ डीजल एंड द रियर साइज ऑफ द टायर इज 225/50 R17. सो फ्रंट एंड रियर बोथ आर एग्जैक्टली द सेम साइज। यहाँ पे पीछे लाइट्स देख सकते हो, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है और कूल लुकिंग अगेन। सो लेट्स टर्न ऑन द इंडिकेटर्स एज वेल। सो हियर इज द पार्किंग बटन। यू कैन सी डायनेमिक स्वाइप इंडिकेटर्स, दिस लुक कूल इंडीड। और यहाँ पे 35 TDI की बैजिंग है। सो इट्स अ 2 लीटर डीजल। वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट इन अ बिट। यहाँ पे A4 की बैचिंग है एंड अगेन प्रीमियम ऑडी लोगो। और पीछे से गाइज मुझे ये कार बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है ड्यू टू इट्स लुक्स एंड द इंडिकेटर्स ऑल्सो लुक इंडीड गुड। एंड यू गेट रिक्वेस्ट सेंसर्स ऑन ऑल द डोर्स। अगेन फ्रंट में भी DRL turns into the indicator. So you can take the 360 degree look of it. So it's pure understated elegance. So now let's move on to the interiors. Guys, before talking about the interiors, let's talk about the engine. So you can open the engine bay from here. So it's open now. Guys, the hood is absolutely heavy. बहुत ही heavy hood है. One hand से तो आप open ही नहीं कर पाओगे. It's very heavy indeed. And it has hydraulic studs. So this is the TDI motor. तो ये 2 लीटर डीजल है which produces 188 bhp of power and 400 Newton meters of torque. और इसकी जो माइलेज क्लेम करती है कंपनी इज 17.14 kmpl एंड अगेन इट्स अ वेरी इकोनॉमिकल कार एंड एज वेल एज पावरफुल. और इसमें 7 स्पीड डुअल क्लच जो गियर बॉक्स है वो है क्योंकि ये एस लाइन वर्जन है. एंड हियर यू कैन सी द इंस्टॉलेशन बिकॉज इट्स अ डीजल मोटर so it's knitted. And now let's close this. It's a very long hood, you can see. So now let's talk about the interiors. So guys, I'm in the interiors of this beautiful Audi A4. Guys, this is a 2018 model and it's barely driven 23,000 kilometers. ये आप इंटीरियर का लुक देख सकते हो. It's very premium. Everything is here is soft touch. So the quality is top notch again and there is the wooden finish here also. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो सिल्वर फिनिश है ऑन द डोर हैंडल्स एज वेल. और यहाँ पे एमरिफ सीट्स के फंक्शन आ जाते हैं एंड दिस इज टू लॉक एंड अनलॉक द डोर. So let's close this and you can hear the thud of the door. So it's very good indeed. And this reminds me of some Volkswagen cars. And this is the outside rear view mirror. You can see this is not a touch screen. It is controlled by this swivel wheel and the touchpad. And you can see the dashboard. It's very good indeed. It feels sporty. And as you know that I have a Ertiga, so same elements Maruti has stolen the elements from this car. And यहाँ पे भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिज़ाइन एलिमेंट्स के यूज़ किए गए. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो क्रोम फिनिश है एंड अगेन द वुडन फिनिश कंटिन्यूज हियर एज वेल. और यहाँ पे आप स्टेयरिंग व्हील देख सकते हो. देयर आर ऑल्सो क्रोम इंसर्ट here as well. This is also finished in chrome and the steering wheel is nice and chunky to hold. And here you get paddle shifters. These are not metal but everything other is very premium. You can see metal switches. These also feel premium indeed. And from here you can change the driving modes. So here it flash ups, comfort mode, individual, then dynamic is the sportiest setting. So you get the full power of the motor and you can really stretch out. And I love this thing of Audi cars. No other car brand can do this क्योंकि काफ़ी मतलब एक अच्छा ये लगता है. And it's nice and clear. So I'm in the menu. From here you can control various settings of this car. These are all the sound settings. And this is the navigation. So two navigation systems. And I love this about the Audi cars. And these are the controls for the wipers. These are for the indicators. And these are controls for the cruise control. And from here you can operate the lights. So the cabin is very nicely maintained. And now let's check out the glove box. So you get one SIM card and two SD cards, and you also get a CD player as well. तो ये उस टाइम में आता था, अभी भी आता है. एंड द ग्लव बॉक्स इज नाइसली डैम्प्ड एज वेल. और यहाँ पे 2 कप होल्डर्स है. एंड देयर इज वन of the USB charger and 12 volt charging socket. These are the button for the traction control, and this is the button for the parking sensors. You know, as it is a front wheel drive, so if you turn off the traction control, you can really wheel spin like crazy. और यहाँ पे engine start stop button है. And again the wooden finish continues here as well, and you can control the volume from here and change the track from here as well. And this is the space to keep the key, so I will show you. So it slots in perfectly, and here also it's written for the key, so I am not sure what is this for. This is the S-tronic gearbox. It's a 7-speed unit and it's very fast with shifts. And this is the glove box. Here you can keep your mobile phone, and it's wireless charged as well. So here is a cigarette lighter, and again you can keep here your phone. So let's close this. And the seats are really nice, and they offer you a good amount of support. It also gets light with the mirror. And same is the case here, light with the mirror. And here are these touch sensitive lights. I love this. And you can have a look of the cabin. These are frameless IRVMs and also auto dimming. And from here you can turn on or off the passenger airbag if no one is sitting there. And this is to turn on the lights when you open the door. This is to turn on them normally, but these are touch sensitive, so no need to press that button. Now let's check out the sunroof. So now now the summers are coming, so it's not needed, but still. So yes, maximum is this. A child can enjoy easily, but it's not for adults. And if you keep the sun blind open as well. The sun blind is manual, not automatic, shockingly. So this is all, and here you have the electric parking brake and auto hold function. And this is again, there is a chrome strip. So everything here is again well maintained. I have no complaints. And let's check out the seat controls. So you have electronic seat controls. So from here you can move the seats front and back. From here you can increase the height, and from here you can recline the seats. And here are the controls for the lumbar support. So that's it for the front. Let's move on to the back. Guys, before moving to the back, you can check out this. These are decent sized door bins. Not really big, but not really small as well. And again, unique about Audis, they have this big compartment to keep stuff. And this is also well damped. Although this is not damped, and it's hard plastic as well, but everything other is finished in leather. And the glasses are also a bit tinted, so you don't get sun all over the place. So now let's move on to the back. So guys, let's move on to the back. Again, the up flipping door handles, and the doors are pretty heavy. So classic Audi build quality. And now talking about the space is decent enough. You can stretch out under the front seats, and it's scoped out seat back, so the legroom is good indeed. And talking about the headroom is also pretty decent, no complaints there. और यहाँ पे भी सन ब्लाइंड्स आ जाते हैं. These are manual sun blinds, but still they are, so it's good enough. And these are the door handles, one touch up and down, but the windows don't go all the way down. There is a coat hanger here as well, so 2 coat hangers, and there is the door handle. You get all everywhere the door handles, so even for the driver. And these are not touch sensitive at back, but still they provide very good throw at night. These are reading lights. Let's check out the armrest. So here you have space to keep stuff like phone, and from here you have the cup holders, and again here, so 2 cup holders. And let's close this. So yeah, the space is good indeed. The under thigh support is also excellent, but 3 people are not comfortable here because there is a bit of a bump, not a bit, but it's good in size, so 2 people are comfortable. And this is to control the temperature. There are 2 AC vents, and there are 3 individual headrests. So yeah, that's pretty for the rear experience. It's good enough. And here also it's a bit scooped out, so that the headroom becomes good. But 6 foot people will be all right here. So let's move on to the boot. Let's see what's there inside. So guys, moving on to the boot, it's electrical, so I will have to open it from here. Yeah, so it's up. It's not electric, but actually it opens from there. And you can see it's a very usable and big squarish boot. So the boot space is very good indeed. And there are some nettage here. And here as well. And there is a 12-volt charging socket, so you can plug in your tire inflator as well. Beneath there is a space saver spare wheel, and the size of it is 125/70/19, so not that much usable. Again, there are tethering points, and which feel solid and premium as well. So yeah, it's premium enough, and it's also well damped here, so no cabin noise intrudes from here as well. And I love the build quality of this car. So guys, this was the video of this beautiful Audi A4. So if you are interested in buying this car, so I will give you a link of Car Mentors Pune of the Instagram, so you can check out the pricing and every detail of this car. And again, to remind you, it's a 2018 model and it's driven just 23,000 kilometers, so it's not that much really. So you can definitely buy this, and I reckon that it will be a bargain, so it's nice. And again, it's a dual zone unit here, so I forgot to tell you. Yeah, so that's pretty much. So guys, let's wrap up this video. So guys, if you like the video, then make sure to hit a like and smash the subscribe button, and also turn on the bell notification. So let's move, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.
Like a Hellcat.